Let's dive right into this explainer on a massive paradigm shift, building a one-person business empire. Ever wondered how you can escape the daily grind but still keep all the profits?
Enter the solopreneur. You're a one-person army, literally handling everything from big picture strategy to daily admin.
That means total autonomy. No asking partners, boards, or investors for permission to make big moves. Plus, ditching traditional overhead like office rent drastically lowers your financial risk and everyday stress. And the absolute best part, 100% of the profits go straight to your pocket. Soloists completely reject that old school massive payroll mindset. It's all about staying super lean and agile. You're really optimizing for absolute personal freedom here, not just chasing a corporate buyout.
So, what's your first secret weapon? Using automated software to run your operations 24/7.
Secret weapon 2 is smart outsourcing. Only hire experts for complex tasks. 0 full-time employees required.
Just find a freelancer, nail the job, and end the contract. Boom, no long-term commitments.
Whether it's affiliate marketing, an agency, or e-commerce, you pick the digital vehicle that fits you. Now, this takes intense self-discipline, but having total, uncompromising autonomy, it's absolutely worth it.
So the real question is, are you ready to embrace absolute freedom and become a sovereign soloist?